Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of very beautiful artistic jute craft bags. And this festival season, you have to make this type of dress gift bags. And this is very eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and environment-free. So you can make it at home, and this look very amazing and very welcoming, and it shows that how you feel with this gift. And you can make gift blind box and many things like that. So as well, you can sell it, you can grow it, you can grow with your business with it, and post on social media, make some unique designs and unique ideas, and post on social media. And what's the response, you will check what is the response. If response will be good, you have to make your own brand, and you can grow your business and make some asset in this season. So what are you waiting for? Try some new things and give it to your loved ones. This video gonna show you the amazing crafting ideas with eco-friendly jute craft bags. You very beautiful wrapped style, and how to wrap your gift wrap style. Very beautiful designs for our viewers and subscribers. In this video we show you beautiful burlap and jute wrapped ideas. This is very eco-friendly, budget friendly, and also very beautiful, looks very professional and amazing, and it shows your love and prosperity and your dignity. It shows the very best things in your feelings. They shows loved. So hope you like the designs and ideas, and this video gives you the very best and amazing ideas of burlap and jute wrapped video. So watch till the end. First of all, you should take some red cover and red fabric or burlap fabric. Add mix of these and double stitch on double side, and after that give some border, trim some border. So this video, and after that apply something bow and ribbon, red and greens, add something addition. So this video this gift gonna be very amazing and very welcoming. So this designs shows that how grateful and how loved inside. Gift is expensive or not, either expensive or not, but your feelings, it depends. So these are very interesting and amazing ideas and amazing designs and very simple. So this upcoming season, festival, gift season, giving season, so give something special and extra. Add something gift box and magic box and blind box, and this is the best ideas for gift. You can make blind box and beautiful eco-friendly wrapping sheet ideas wrapped with eco-friendly and amazing collection. So thank you for watching. Our channel gives you, the interesting part is our channel gives you tips and ideas how to grow business, how to grow your Insta account, how to add something in your story. So make a story of these type of collection and upload on social media like Facebook, Insta, and wherever you want to upload. After that, see the reaction. If your effort is high, so make some ads, purchase some Google ads and upload them, and after that check the response. And your project is good. If your project is good, so you can also you can put them on fair shop, family and friends, show them. So this is very beautiful and amazing design. You can sell it, you can keep it on near fair shops. So you can make them very beautiful brand by a gift set and wrapping So also you can make scrapbook, scrap ideas, add something blind box and make something blind box for everyone, gift them. First of all, you should gift them. The more you give, the more you have. So if your product is powerful, definitely you will gonna order for this. So make some extra beautiful, add some flowers, add belt, add some red and green touch, some cozy rustic touch. If you want to give the boy, so make a card, and if you want to go make a doll and add some pink color, so it will gonna be for a girl. So have you seen in this video, this colorful wrap is very beautiful and joyful. So if you want to learn more ideas and designs, you can join us on our channel. We will try to give the ideas best, beautiful and eco-friendly, budget-friendly ideas. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice, beautiful journey. We try to give the best and best beautiful collection. So stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Happy crafting. Make a beautiful gift.